Alrighty, guys. So it's been about a week since our last SoFi stock update. So I want to break down how SoFi's been doing. We're going to break down the charts here, what I'm looking to do, how I'm feeling. Am I buying more here, selling? Am I just holding? So, guys, jam-packed video. Smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe. And, of course, before we dive in, don't forget to get up to 20 stocks from Moo with at least a $100 deposit. Just use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/moo, and for a limited time, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's a no-brainer. So again, hop on it, use that link down below. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive. Oops, I almost dropped the coffee here, guys. Let's dive right into the video. So at the time that I'm making this video, middle of the day on Friday, we have SoFi stock at $7. We're actually back over $7 per share for the first time, I think, in about a week or two. Let me pull up this chart. Let me see. Yeah, it's been about what? Yeah, 2 weeks on the nose. Look at that, guys. 2 weeks on the dot pretty much since we were over $7 last, because you all probably remember that Monday where the markets tanked on the 5th of August. SoFi got down to $5.86, and since that point we are up around 19 to 20%, and it looks like now we're testing that high from early August, right? $7.10 it looks like. And here on the 20-day chart, you guys can see how we are starting to break out a bit. This is good in the short term for the bulls. We have a golden cross. We're above the moving averages here, and again, we're up a good chunk, but we are now approaching a very critical resistance, which was once a double bottom support at about $7.05 to 10 cents. So this is a big spot of resistance right now, ladies and gentlemen. Do we break out of it? Do we get rejected? It looks like SoFi wants to break out of this. As of right now, it sure does. If I draw this out right here, we can see if we do get out of there, there could be some upside in the short term in this window right here, which if I just clear this very quickly, I mean, you guys can see it, but we'll be trading between the very low sevens all the way up to about 770, 775, which is, believe it or not, where SoFi was not too long ago. We were trading in this window. So let me actually get some coffee, guys. Cheers, by the way. All right. So, yeah, SoFi is looking pretty good. We're starting to turn around, but by no means are we fully breaking out on the larger time frames or anywhere near breaking out for that matter. We're nowhere near that, let's be honest here, but we are looking decent on the 10-day, the 20-day 1-hour chart, looking pretty decent. And here on the 4-hour chart, you guys can see what I just said, I guess even better on this time frame. If we take out, again, 705, 710, there could be a lot more upside from there in the short term. But again, we're still far from breaking out, as we are seeing here a descending triangle, which is pretty clear as day on SoFi stock. Do you guys see this? If you have any disagreements, of course, let me know down below in the comments. But as of right now, middle of August 2024, this is what I'm noticing on the chart. And it doesn't mean that you can't make money in the short term. Again, like I said, upside towards almost $8 is there on a breakout that we could be seeing soon here. But that's where the big resistance is. If we do see that pop over 7 to the mid-high 7s, we get to about, what, 770, 775. That's a big level of resistance where we're seeing this trend line right here, and that needs to break. And I've been saying on the YouTube channel, I've been pounding on the freaking table for weeks at this point, months, honestly, it's been months. We have to break $8. But we haven't been doing it, guys. Literally, we've tested it, what, 10 times? Almost $8 per share. We tested it 10 times. Boom, we got rejected and dumped lower. It's happened so many times. Here in the middle of March, we can see it here in the beginning of April, end of April, middle of May, and it looks like the middle of June, we got to 760, 775, so close enough, got rejected again. And then here in the middle of July, end of July, we double topped at about $8 per share. So I'm going to continue saying we have to get out of there, guys, which it's going to test again one way or another at some point, right? So for me, I'm just holding on to SoFi right now. I'm not looking to add more. I feel like I've built my position for now. I'm not opposed to adding more at some time in the future, but for now, I'm just holding on, right? I'm holding on to what I bought. I feel comfortable where I'm at. I'm actually in the green right now. My position, my average cost across my accounts where I own it is about $6 and 90-ish cents. So I'm slightly up here, and I would consider potentially buying the breakout if the environment, if the sentiment's there, if the environment feels right in terms of the overall market, with the guidance of the company itself, numbers, I wouldn't be opposed to it, right? If we do break out at some point over $8 to $9, and it seems like it's finally starting to turn around, but we're not there yet. We're not there yet, so I'm not looking to add more here. Obviously, I'm not selling either. I'm just holding on. And again, if they crush numbers over the next couple of quarters, gain some momentum, finally get out of this freaking rut, which has been a flat 2024. Let's be honest. It sucked this year for SoFi. If they can finally, get the stock price moving again, which I feel like can come in the next couple of quarters, unfortunately, it's going to take time. I don't think this is one that's going to break out of nowhere, but with a couple of quarters, strong numbers, strong revenue, which I feel like we did have a good quarter, the one they just reported, right? If this continues and it gets better over time, breakout could be coming, and I would not be opposed to buying SoFi on an overall breakout. I wouldn't. I would definitely do it. I'd consider it for sure. But yeah, what are you guys doing? I'm curious. But in the very short term, man, money could be made if you're looking to trade this thing. I feel like if we break 705, let me set my alert. Might as well do it. Let's see here. Mark is at or above $7.05. I'll do another one at $7.15. If you're looking to make money in the short term, potentially, not guaranteed, obviously, do your own research, guys. Come on. But yeah, if you're looking to trade SoFi, it actually looks pretty good in this window right here. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And yeah, we'll see how it plays out. We're fighting at $7 right now. We have a couple hours left today when I'm making this video. So guys, make sure to subscribe for the next SoFi update, whenever that ends up being. I'm not going to just jam SoFi videos every single day just to make them at this point. I'm going to make them whenever we see a big move or we're testing a big resistance or this or that, something interesting on the charts going on. Then I'll make a video. So again, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and don't forget to sign up to my mailing list for free. Link down below. I send you my top 3 stocks to your email every single Monday morning for free. Did I mention it's free? And you could also get up to 20 stocks for a moo with at least a $100 deposit, and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. That's linked down below, guys. That's an affiliate link as well. It makes me some money. You get some money as well. I appreciate you all for tuning in, as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you all in the next video.